Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. Here is a problem expressed as partial fraction, A-level problem. So the denominator is x minus 2 and x plus 3. Already they are in factor form, so no need to do anything. So write it, and a over x minus 2 plus sign. It is always positive sign. Remember, it is always positive sign between the a and b. So b over x plus 3. It is a rules. The plus sign is always rules. A over the factor 1 plus b over the factor 2. You can change anything. A over x plus 3 or b over x minus 2. You can write it. Don't worry. Okay, so we have to LCM now. Right side. Left side is unchanged. X minus 2 and x plus 3, the LCM is x minus 2 and x plus 3. Right. So a times x plus 3 plus b times x minus 2. Right. Do you know how to LCM it? The two fractional values. Now cancel out both of them, the denominator of the both side. Now it is 6x minus 2 equals to right side. It is equation number 2. Name it. Okay. Now look, the coefficient of a is x plus 3, right? The coefficient of a is x plus 3. So x plus 3, this x plus 3 equals to 0. I'm writing x plus 3 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 3. So substituting x equals to minus 3 in equation 2. So 6 times minus 3 minus 2 equal, a part must be 0 because I am taking the 3 from the coefficient of a. Anyway, so b minus 3 minus 2. So what is the value? Minus 3, 6, minus 20. Yes, I'm using the calculator. A part is 0, as I said. Minus 5b. b equal, minus cancel out, 20 over 5, that is 4. Yes, 4. Now the second part, the coefficient of b, x minus 2, right? x minus 2 equals 0. So x equal 2. Substitute x equals to 2 in the equation 2. 6 times 2 minus 2 equal a times. Can you tell me which part will be the 0? It's b part, right? Because I'm taking the 2 from b. So 10 equal 5, 3 to 5. Yes, b part is 0. A equal 10 over 2, that is 2. 10 over 5, that is 2. Put the value of a and b in the equation 1. Six x minus 2 over x minus 2 plus x plus 3 equal, what is the value of a? It is 2, x minus 2 plus, what is the value of b? B value is 4, right? X plus 3. This is the answer, right? I think you understand. The a value is 4, b value, a value is 2, b value is 4. Yes, correct. So it is the answer. Thank you very much.